He's going. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. We were supposed to get up at 6, but somebody here was a little bit too tired. We're just gonna finish getting packed, load up the truck, load up the cooler, go get some gas, some food, some ice, and we're heading to Sauble Beach. Excited?
Thrilled.
Made it. And there's the big Sauble Beach sign. This is Sauble Beach. Okay, so we just went to my uncle's, spent some time there. Really good seeing him. It's been so long since I seen him. We had some burgers, some lunch, a couple beers. Time flew. It's already 2 o'clock. Zoe, how did you like his cottage?
It's really nice.
We are now headed back to the Airbnb, which we haven't showed you guys yet. But we got settled in, we dropped off our stuff, hung out there for a little bit. We are gonna go back there, get some things, and then I think we're gonna go downtown Sauble and kind of walk and see some of the stores and whatnot. Let's get back to the other, it's literally just 3 minutes away. It's so close. It's so close to my uncle. Welcome home. This is our little house for the next 2 nights. Little RV. Bathroom, bed. It's pretty nice. What'd you think?
Yeah.
Oh look, we got board games.
Yeah.
This is the fridge. We already put our stuff in here. Nice, nice. Got all of our stoofs. Okay, so me and Zoe, we came to this like, we were just driving down the road and we just saw this like big flea market thing going on the side of the road in a dog park. So we're like, hell yeah, let's go check it out. So we're gonna go check it out. You excited? She's really excited.
Yeah, I love flea markets.
We're gonna see if we find some cool things. And I have cash, which is great. Okay, so we went and visited my old cottage, which the people were super nice. They let me come in, they showed me all the property. I haven't been there in years, so it was really nice. Random people we never met before. Then we went and visited one of my neighbors of that cottage, sat down there, had a little bit of a talk. It's currently almost 4 o'clock. We're going back to the town and we're gonna go do some walking and some shopping. You excited?
And ice cream.
And ice cream. Ice cream's first?
Yes.
Jeez!
He was spin.
Oh, it snaps up to make it into a... Jeez! Okay, so we checked out some stores. Have we found anything yet?
Don't think so.
Well, we saw there's some candy apples in this place right here, but they didn't have any just regular ones left. And there's some really cool boats and lighthouses, but we have nowhere to put them in our house, so we couldn't buy them. And they were 20% off, which is like even better. But yeah, we had nowhere to put them, so we didn't buy any. Good?
Yeah, that works.
Oh!
Is that gum?
Yeah. I just stepped in a big thing of gum. My foot literally like sprung from the concrete. Damn it. How's it going? Look at this arcade. Look at all this candy. There's literally so much here. Isn't this crazy? Zoe, what did we just find?
Chips.
Do you want to get one?
No, I tried them like a couple years ago, and they're so
have
gross.
the bubblegum one.
That's the one I got. No, not the bubblegum. I used to get this one. Soda Dr. Pepper. Cherry Dr. Pepper.
Show me those. Dude. And then there's also a
watermelon.
watermelon.
Do you want to try the watermelon?
I'm down. Mango Pepsi?
Ew.
That's so weird.
I wanted like iced tea, but I guess.
That's not candy enough.
I guess, yeah. I'll try the. Should I try the cream soda Dr. Pepper or just get a cherry?
Yeah, try it. It's kind of good. What do you think of yours?
Kind of tastes like carbonated water.
Yeah, try this one. I'll try yours.
It's like it's so carbonated that I just taste like...
Yeah, it's pretty carbonated.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just hate watermelon flavored things.
Yikes. Let me see. I think they look good. They do look a little mad scientist-y.
Yeah, it's not like hippie enough. It's too mad scientist. Let me try the other ones though.
Okay, we are gonna try Mountain Dew Frostbite. I don't know, it kind of tastes the same as the watermelon.
No, it doesn't.
No?
It tastes like Blue Freezy mixed with Mountain Dew.
I don't really taste that too much.
I don't even know what I'm gonna eat.
I know.
I almost don't want something hot now.
I know, you want something cold, right?
Yeah, but like...
We're going to this.
That's cold, you know?
We kind of screwed up because there was people in front of us, and then we decided to go keep looking, and now there's 2 more people in front of us. 2 more tables, so we had to wait even longer. We would have been next right now. I'm excited for food.
Kinda.
Oh yeah, look at Zoe's new glasses. Oh my god, we also didn't show that off. So we got some new glasses.
And new earrings.
And new earrings. Oh, they're not on.
No.
We were able to get our seat actually pretty quickly. It's a nice view. Check out what we got. Fish and chips and onion rings. You want to do a quick taste test?
Sure. I feel like it's gonna be really hot.
Do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Oh, so good.
So good. Zoe got an onion nugget. Take a bite.
It's so hot.
Is it? Can I take a bite?
Yeah, go for it.
Put a little ketchup on there.
Hot?
Oh no. Like juice came out. So we came down to the trading post. It's basically just like a convenience store here. We got ourselves some ice cream. As you can see, I got chocolate fudge and Zoe got espresso.
Chocolate chip.
Found out it might be raining tomorrow. We also met some people that we met earlier on the beach and we had a good conversation because we walked the beach a little bit. But yeah, we found out it might be raining tomorrow, which really sucks because tomorrow was our beach day. But for now, we're gonna enjoy the cloudy sunset. Cloudy sunset. While we eat our ice cream.
You wanna do a first taste?
I already tried mine.
Oh wow.
Good?
That's so good.
Oh, see what I mean? Trading post ice cream is fire. Ready for bed? We had a little bit of a fire. Then we got too tired, so now we're inside. It's already like, it's only like 10.
We're old.
Alright, we're gonna go to bed. Get ready for an early day tomorrow and hopefully it doesn't rain so we can go to the beach. Good night.
Night.
Good morning, Zoe.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Great.
How was your sleep last night?
Fucking cold.
Yeah, it was cold.
Yeah.
Put the AC on and it actually does, oh, good job. Very good job. So we are getting ready for beach day today. Weather network has changed. It says it's not gonna rain today. We're packing up, we're getting ready. We're gonna go downtown. Pumped. Bringing the floaties, compressor, full bag of goodies, cooler full of drinks.
Yep.
see Zoe's. Zoe, you want to say hi?
Hello.
We went swimming. We got this seagull here named Hector. We've been feeding him sun chips all day. Look, I'm gonna bring the bag out. He's gonna come right here. Oh yeah. Come on, Hector. Come on. Oh, it's right there. Oh, let me get it for him. There you go. We're trying to slowly let him eat out of our hands. What happens if I put it on your butt? Can we try? All right, we gotta tame him with a big chip.
A big one?
Oh, big ones. Come on. Come on. Oh no, it blew off your butt. No, the chip. Okay. We planted it. He's going, he's going, he's going, he's going. Oh my god.
Hector, you naughty man.
Naughty man took it from the bum. Yeah, we're planning to go to downtown soon. Get some food, get our sweaters that we need to buy.
Yeah.
For now, we're just enjoying the water, the sun.
Nice.
Sun's really nice.
Yeah, so warm.
It was supposed to rain today, and luckily the rain kind of like blew over or something, but the water's gorgeous. It's really warm. We have our little setup here. Unfortunately, the DJI drone, I didn't charge the actual hand or like controller, so I don't know if we can use that. But yeah, other than that, just hanging out, right?
Yep.
You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay, we are back in the RV. We spent the entire day at the beach, so he's getting ready. We unloaded the truck with all the things from the beach. It's probably like almost, oh shit, it's probably pretty late now. It's almost 7. We're gonna go do mini-putt. We're gonna go get burgers and watch the sunset tonight. We're just gonna finish getting ready here and then head over to town again. You ready to get pwned in mini-putt?
Sure.
Oh, is this gonna be a battle to the death?
Yeah, I think I'll have the highest score.
Yeah, you'll have the highest score, good. 6 is the lucky hole, so if we get the hole in one, we get a free game token.
Yes.
This is how to get a hole in one. What did I say? What did I say? Just easy. Just easy. Did you guys see that one?
Oh, yeah, it was witnessed. Okay, cool.
Yikes.
That was my starter shot.
Oh, it's practice? There you go. Only if. No, we can count that as a hole in one.
Practice.
It's a practice, you're right, you're right.
Go ahead.
That is actually decent. Oh,
That was like on the money. That was on the money. It jipped me. Zoe's gonna hit the wheel. Oh, I didn't predict 2 times though. Oh, 3 times. Oh, there she is. Look at it. It's even got the trick. What the heck is that? Free game coming your way. Hey! Free game! On camera.
Okay, possible free game right here.
Can't let him show me up. No.
No. Oh.
She's doing the thing.
Take a guess.
Here's our $30 burgers. There it is. This is cool. So we've made it to Tobermory. Oh my god, that kid almost just like fell off that cliff. Oh, he's going.